When it comes to remote support and screen sharing, two names that often come up are CrankWheel and TeamViewer. But which one is more efficient? Stick around till the end as we break down everything you need to know and help you make an informed decision. First up, CrankWheel is designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. If you're looking for something that allows you to share your screen with customers or teammates quickly, without complex installation or setup, CrankWheel might be the right choice for you. It integrates easily into your website, allowing you to instantly share your screen with users through a simple link, no downloads needed. This is perfect for sales teams or support staff looking to provide quick help with minimal friction. TeamViewer, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive remote desktop solution. It allows you to access and control devices remotely, which is great for IT professionals or anyone needing deeper control over remote systems. But with that control comes a slightly more complex interface. Next thing, let's talk about performance. CrankWheel offers an excellent performance to simplicity ratio. It's built for speed, so your screen sharing sessions are smooth and responsive with little delay, especially for non-technical users. On the flip side, TeamViewer's performance can be impressive too, but it can sometimes be slower if you're using it on lower bandwidth connections. This makes CrankWheel a great option if you want to prioritize a fast, seamless experience for your clients or team members with minimal lag or latency. The fourth thing to consider is cost. CrankWheel offers a completely free version, but it's limited to smaller teams and more basic features. However, if you need access to more advanced tools or features, it's very affordable compared to TeamViewer's pricing structure, which can get expensive, especially for larger teams or organizations. TeamViewer also offers a free version, but it's more suited for personal or non-commercial use, with limitations that might be restrictive for businesses. Fifth, let's talk integration. CrankWheel is primarily focused on being a tool that integrates directly with your sales workflow, perfect for teams who need quick and efficient interactions. TeamViewer, on the other hand, can integrate with many other tools and systems, making it a great choice for teams that require a more comprehensive suite for IT support, remote access, and even file sharing. Next thing, both tools have mobile apps. However, TeamViewer has the upper hand here with its mobile app being more feature-packed, allowing users to control remote devices directly from their phone, while CrankWheel is focused on easy screen sharing, but doesn't provide remote control through mobile devices. Now that we've covered the main points, performance, cost, integrations, and mobile apps, let's wrap things up. If you need something simple, fast, and easy to use, CrankWheel is a strong contender. If you need something more robust with remote control and additional features, TeamViewer might be better for your needs. Before you decide, you can use both of these software tools completely free. Just click the first link below, where we offer exclusive bonuses and an extended free trial to CrankWheel and TeamViewer. Don't miss out on trying these tools risk-free to find out which one works best for your team.